So welcome to another Machine Monday. So one of the challenges that we've noticed with a lot of our customers is this transfer of skills from the experienced guys to the new guys, specifically from a maintenance perspective, and also the managing of tasks of what needs to get done in the factory, especially scheduled tasks. That's why we created ODIN Checkpoint. It's basically a mobile app that allows us to firstly schedule the right tasks so every technician can know what to do when they get to work. And the second thing is we have tutorials built into every single standard operating procedure that allows them to remember what they've been taught. So let me give an example. So today it's telling me I need to do a shrinker service. So I'm going to start that. And within the shrinker service, as you can see, there are a couple of steps that we need to do. I'm not going to go through all of them, but I'm going to pick the one that's most interesting. This is telling me to measure the wear pad of the shrinker machine. And because I don't do this every day, I may not remember all of the details. So what I can do is I can actually watch the video.
So to measure the wear pad, you're going to need a vernier. And for safety reasons, please do not forget your gloves. So to find out where the wear pad is, you open up the wear pad door on the shrinker machine. And you'll see there are 12 wear pads on the door. So to measure the wear pad, you're going to measure from these two faces. So to begin that process, you're going...
It's telling me where to measure from.
Zero your vernier.
Zero my vernier.
Against the wear pad.
Got the measurement, 9.5. I can enter the measurement, 9.52. And let's say, for example, I actually measured it out of spec. So for what I'm going to do here is actually put in the wrong value. I'm going to put in 8 millimeters and a confirmation value of 8 millimeters. And immediately what it's done is actually created an alert. So it means that it's out of spec. And what it's done is actually sent my supervisor a message straight away to say that there's been an exception, something's gone wrong. And this is how we use mobile technology, the cloud-based solution, ODIN Checkpoint, to actually optimize training as well as to-do lists. And now it's immediately communicated and created a task for a supervisor to manage this exception. Let me know if you're interested in more about how we could digitize your task management and training requirements for technicians specifically. Here's another Machine Monday.